What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own community on Reddit. Now, there's a bunch of different things that you could do inside of your community, and this isn't necessarily a tutorial on how to do that as far as setting it up and making sure that it runs successfully. This is just a simple tutorial on how to create a community because it is a little confusing for some people, especially when starting out right on the app. Now, do keep in mind, if you haven't had your Reddit account for 30 days, you're not going to have this function on your screen to create the Reddit account. Just wait 30 days and then this button will pop up. But once you're in the Reddit app, you're going to hit the toolbar in the bottom there, and it's going to be the second icon from the left, and it's going to take you kind of towards the feed/search bar button where it shows all of your pre-existing subreddits that you've subscribed to and joined. And then you could see right above the communities tab, I should say, that is right there. There is a button that you could create a community on. It has like the little sort of planet icon with the circle around it, and you're just going to click on that to start your community creation. And the first thing that you're going to choose, obviously, is going to be the community name, which should suit exactly what you're making your community for. This is kind of a test community, so I'm just making one for myself. And if you want to join it and make some posts, you could feel free to do so, but I don't really expect too much. You could also choose if you want to make the community private to only people that you added as approved users, and then also check it if it's an 18+ community. I doubt any of you are creating one of those, but if it's all non-safe for work content, you need to check that. Otherwise, you might get taken off of Reddit, or it'll just list it itself for you. And you could see all the mod tools that you have for your community. I'm not going to be going over in this tutorial, but I have a bunch of other videos on my channel and a bunch more coming as far as Reddit goes and the moderation side of it. So if you're looking on how to do anything as far as that goes, just check my channel and search Reddit, and you should get a ton of videos that are super helpful and informational in order to get you where you need to go and have your community be successful on Reddit. That's pretty much all I got for you today, though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this worked, be sure to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.